Hi everyone, just want to show off my new Bugatti headphones. They are fantastic. They offer 4 different languages, different accents. They offer a extremely easy travel companion. They offer translations in Chinese, Arabic, French, Japanese, German, and much more. They are waterproof, very sleek looking. They offer, I believe, 10 hours plus of playtime on a single charge. That is fantastic. They have a great logo on them, a Lamborghini logo on the front of it. They are very sleek looking, very like a matte finish, matte black. Now they offer a Bluetooth 5.4 technology, so it's going to be very fast and very stable connectivity. You can experience the next level of wireless freedom with Bluetooth 5.4 technology. So these earphones pair instantly with your device the moment you open the case. There's no extra steps needed, which is fantastic. Now, you could do anything with these. You could do jumping jacks with these. I can go to the gym, run, exercise, run errands. I could wear these all day long. They feel like air. They are extremely modern looking. They fit my ear very easily. They're molded, as you can see. There's no adjusting, no nothing. They just slide into your ear and they just fit instantly. It's fantastic. As you can see, I'm on the treadmill right now. They stay in my ear, very secure. They allow for outside noise, so if I'm talking to someone, I can hear the other person's voice, or if I want to take a call, I can easily take a call. It's great for exercising or anything active. These Bugani AI earbuds are a really snazzy pair of earbuds. They are an open ear design, so they go on the outside of your ear rather than the inside, so you could hear ambient noise, which is fantastic. Now, I heard Bugani AI actually partnered with Lamborghini and came up with this exclusive design. Now, they offer 10 hours of playtime, which is great. They're waterproof, which is fantastic. They have a sleek Lamborghini logo, and look how easy they go on. The best headphones I ever had. All I do is just slide them on like this. No adjusting, no nothing, totally waterproof. This translation model of the Bugani AI earbuds is fantastic as well. It works by downloading an app called the Ear Dance app, and it's very easy to set up. Overall, the language translation is great. The app is very easy to use, responds very easily, and takes less than a second to respond. It has multiple different languages, and you can even share the earphone with someone else so it responds automatically to their conversation. It's very easy to use and very convenient. I'm going to use this all the time with all my clients.